Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.